welcome to Scodeen Global. Database is the core, or we can say its nucleus. Do you know database programming languages are one of the most demanding skills in employment market one should be familiar with. They are an integral part of a company's IT department and plays a critical role to manage the system better. As a database programmer, you can work as database administrator, database developer, ETL developer, BI developer, big data developer, and so on. A database programming professional may actually design, create, and implement a database. Do you know some commercially marketed databases from Oracle, IBM, or Microsoft? According to payscale.com, the majority of database analysts and programmers earn between $51,000 and $115,000 a year as of October 2022. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that the employment of database administrators will likely grow about 9% between 2021 and 2031, a rate much faster than the predicted for all occupations. Do you know what's Indian price for database programmer? It's 20 to 35 lakhs per annum. Please join our high advanced database programming syllabus, that is SQL, PLSQL, ETL, and BI Developer. Thank you for watching us. Have a great day.